Welcome to this video on how to change your country settings in the H&M app. We will walk through the steps to update your region, currency, and address for a seamless shopping experience. In this video, you will learn how to navigate the app's country settings, switch your shopping region, automatically update currency, manage your address details, and understand the implications of changing your country. To access your region and language settings, first open the H&M app. Tap the profile or account icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to Settings, and then select Country/Region or Language and Region. Once on the settings screen, tap your currently selected country to view the list of available regions. Scroll or search for the country you wish to shop from, then select it. The app will reload with your new settings. After reloading, return to your profile or account and select My Details or Addresses. Add a shipping address valid for your new region. Your currency will update automatically, but remember to review prices and product availability as they vary by country. Keep in mind that changing regions might clear your existing shopping cart and require you to re-enter payment methods. Additionally, product availability, pricing, and return policies are country-specific. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Whether you are using iOS or Android, the Profile tab is where you will manage these settings. For Android users, clearing the cache or checking permissions can help if you encounter issues during the process.